Hello everyone, do you want to go ahead and download some games but you don't know how to? Well, in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Baldur's Gate 3 on your computer or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your browser right here. Of course, you could go ahead and use any. You want to go ahead and head over to google.com, and inside just go ahead and search for Steam. After that, you will go ahead and see the search results right here, and this is the only place that you could go ahead and download Baldur's Gate 3. Steam is a video game digital distributor service, and once inside, you want to go ahead and locate the install Steam button. You could just go ahead and see that right beside your profile icon. Now you want to go ahead and click on install Steam right here. After installing Steam, just go ahead and open up their application, and then you will be prompted right through their storefront. Inside, you want to go ahead and locate the search bar, and you could just go ahead and search for any games that you want to. In our case, we are looking for Baldur's Gate 3, so I'll just go ahead and search for Baldur's Gate 3. And as you could go ahead and see, it presented us with our game. Just go ahead and click on it, and you will be prompted right through the Baldur's Gate storefront. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Buy Baldur's Gate 3, and you want to go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Just go ahead and proceed by clicking on View My Cart, and then you will be able to pay for your game right here, and after paying, you will be able to download the game instantly into your computer. So, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.